Hey everyone, Zora 2 has released recently. Now anyone can create amazing cinematic videos. Not just that, ads for your brands and also social media trending videos which can go viral. Honestly, the quality of the videos are insane. So we're gonna see how to create an ad video. Also trending vertical videos like these. Higgsfield has recently dropped Zora 2. I have added the link for you in the description. Check that out. Now let's see how to create amazing videos. When you click the link below, you'll get land to this main page. On the top, go to videos and choose Zora 2. Here we're gonna copy paste the prompt which we created. You can find that in description. And this option we're gonna choose Sora 2. We're gonna choose how many seconds we need the video. And then we're gonna choose if it's gonna be vertical or horizontal. I'm gonna go for horizontal. And then there's a button, toggle button. When you switch it, you can generate unlimited. And now all you have to do is just click on generate. So this is a video I generated. Let's play and see how does it look.
Crispy, golden, just for you. Wanna hear the crunch? That's the sound of happiness. Juicy.
I made few changes to the prompt and maybe I thought to give a close-up shot when she's taking a bite of the chicken.
Crispy, golden, just for you. Wanna hear the crunch? That's the sound of happiness. Juicy, tender, perfect every time.
I really like the video angles and the cuts. There's no doubt that it produces high quality videos. I wanted to change this to a vertical video. So I'm going to choose vertical and I'm going to click generate. And this is what we got as a vertical video.
Crispy, golden, just for you. Wanna hear the crunch? That's the sound of happiness. Juicy, tender, perfect every time. Crispy, golden.
I think the angle, positioning, everything is perfectly kept and even the close-up shots are really amazing. It's pretty impressive and I really wanted to try this sketch to video option over here. So we can draw a sketch. Using the sketch, it creates a real cinematic video. It's really unbelievable, but I'm gonna give it a try. So let's create a blank canvas. Now let's take the pen tool and I'm gonna draw a character over here where he has a hair like fire. I'm doing it with mouse and also I'm not a good artist. And we'll just draw an empty road over here. There is a lot of buildings on right and left. And there is a car coming behind him just to give that cinematic feel. I know the canvas is looking completely dirty. We're gonna make this guy run now. Here we have an option on what kind of video we can select over here. I'm gonna select cinematic and click on generate video. And let's wait for it to generate. Using this immature sketch, Zora 2 has created this amazing cinematic video. Everything looks really cinematic and something tense is happening in the scene. And now we're gonna test out Zora 2 Pro version over here. I really wanted to create a reel where there is a car chase and it's completely like a cinematic scene. For that, first I'm gonna take a reference. I'm gonna go to Pinterest and I really like this one. We're not gonna copy this and put it directly in Zora 2 Pro. We're gonna first copy this and we're gonna go to ChatGPT. Let's copy paste the image and we're gonna type and it'll give you a complete breakdown with the time code. Paste the prompt. Select Zora 2 Pro. Select the resolution to 1080p and we're gonna keep 12 seconds. Aspect ratio we're gonna go for reel. Now all I have to do is just click generate and this is what I got for the vertical video. Honestly, what I feel is it has exactly cuts like how it happens in the cinematic Hollywood movies. Of course, we can make it more enhanced by editing it a bit more and bringing the final output we need. So finally, I want to create one last final reel, and this is what I got for the vertical video. Apart from that, you can go to Explorer page. You can find a lot of visual effects which are already created, which are pretty amazing. For example, you can check out this one. So same effect used by similar ones but in a different prompt. Also, they have this mind-bending huge cinematic videos. So if you want to copy any of their effects, all you can do is just click on it and you'll have an option here to generate it. The effect will be selected on this section on the left. All you have to do is add a So I'm gonna find a start frame from online. You can add a similar image or you can check out any image which goes with this effect. So when you added the start image, all you have to do is just click on generate. So this is the image we just added. I'm gonna show you how the effect is added to it. So this is how realistic it is when you're trying to add an image of your own and doing it. In that way you can try out many other effects as well. You have all these trending effects just going on in social media. Similar way you can use all these effects in this Explorer page. I've just showed you the basic concept of creating it. You can completely explore with your own ideas. If you're a filmmaker or you want to showcase your brand products, and I think this would be the perfect platform to produce amazing visuals. People are already started using Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. You can search for Higgsfield in online, or to make it easy, I've added the link below in the description. Please do check that out. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.